Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, last time we started Physics 5054 variant 22, the section paper 2, which is theory, for October November 2021, and we solved question number 1. Uh, Today, this was question number 1. I will give you the link in the description for this question. The question number 2 is, today we are going to solve question number 2, and question number 2 is about the forces. So question number 2 given is, force is a vector quantity, state what is meant by a vector quantity. So we have to write what is meant by the vector quantity. So vector quantity are those quantities. So we write vector quantities when is such physical quantity which has magnitude as well as direction. So if a quantity has magnitude and direction also, then such physical quantity is known as a vector quantity. So if you write this, you will earn 1 mark for this. That's it. Next question is B part. A swimmer reaches the end wall with a this figure is given here. A swimmer reaches the end wall of swimming pool and turns around under the water. Figure 2.1. This figure shows swimmer immediate after the turning around. So this is end wall. He pushes the end wall with his feet. So as a reaction, end wall will act. Reaction force will act on him and in the opposite direction. The swimmer pushes against the end wall of the pool with his legs. Explain in terms of Newton's third law why the swimmer accelerates away from the end wall. So answer will be, as the swimmer pushes the wall with a force, this is action. So according to Newton's third law of motion, the end wall according to Newton's third law of motion, the end wall pushes him in opposite direction, that is away from the wall. This is net force acting on the swimmer. So this will accelerate him according to second law of motion, which is F is equal to ma, where m is, you can write, where m is mass of swimmer and A is write this one, you can earn 3 marks out of it. So that's it. Next question, next part is, while swimming there is a constant forward force on a swimmer. His speed increases until eventually he reaches a constant speed. Explain why he reaches a constant speed. Because look here, now swimmer is moving in a fluid. When somebody is moving in a fluid, then the fluid resistance acts on the moving body and it increases with the increase in speed of the body in the fluid until, so a point comes when the opposing force and the opposing force and the force exerted by the swimmer becomes equal. At this point the net force becomes zero, so acceleration is zero. So this speed is known as actually terminal speed, and the swimmer moves with a constant speed. Okay, so I will write the swimmer moves forward and his forward motion is opposed by fluid or water resistance. Okay, this is the first point. We go write in points. Now the water resistance increases. The water resistance increases with increase speed of the swimmer, and eventually it reaches a maximum value. What is maximum value? The maximum value, that is the water resistance maximum, which is the maximum value. So at this point the forward force of swimmer and the water resistance becomes equal. So net force is 0. When net force is 0, the acceleration is 0. So when net force is 0, the acceleration is 0, and swimmer moves with a constant speed known as terminal speed of body in. So that's the answer of this question. Next question is, so this completes question number 2, and I think that's enough for today. And next video we will move on. We will attempt new questions, and hope you like this video. If you like it, please like it, share it, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it, and also press the bell icon so that you can get all the notification of my coming videos. See you in next video very soon. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.